Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing and viewing today. Got this selfie stick tripod with a fill light and a remote control can extend it up to 71 centimeters. And welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. This is an awesome product to get during this summer for just 99 cents, maybe 60 cents with discounts or less. Available at AliExpress. Selfie Stick S03S. Durable, rotatable, wireless. Let's move on to see what we have and how you can use it during all your summer activities. Watch the video till the end and I'll show you all the great features this has. Here's the manual. Please read the instruction manual carefully. Lot of important tips are there. And the phone holder. This is a very unique selfie stick because it has a fill light. Some parts are plastic and others are metal. Very well built. Inside we've got the cable. This is a type A to micro USB to charge this unit's fill light. Can charge it very easily with 5 volt, either from a power bank or from a power adapter. Phone holder can be rotated like this. The build quality is truly amazing when you consider the price. Stick can be extended. Let's see by how much. 7 inches to 28 inches. You can mount a mobile, but not a very heavy mobile when fully extended. Unfold these legs and there the tripod. It's all ABS plastic. It's locked in place when together with these latches. Long press to switch on and switch off. Short press for the two light modes, high and low brightness. This screw can be removed, so this can be switched other way. Tighten this to lock the phone holder in place. And it's spring loaded as usual. Phone holders on both sides are padded for a firm grip. Can be folded in. The remote control will automatically shut down in 5 minutes if not paired. Without extending the arm, it's not possible to remove the remote. Squeeze down on the arrows and push it up to free it from the stick. Hope you can see them, bit tiny here. Instructions on how to connect to mobile. Long press the remote button to power on. Indicator will start to blink. Open Bluetooth and search for a new device. Here it is. Selfie com. Pair and connect it. Once paired, indicator will stop flashing. Perfect. Turn on your camera. Same for the video. If you want, can use it as a tripod. To take photos or videos, just press the button. Will blink once. Adjust the height, turn on the light, and take the best selfie. Turn on camera, find what you want to take a photo. Just press the button. And if you want, you can record a video as well and stop. This is how to replace the battery on the selfie stick remote control. There's a battery which is inside. Use a flathead and there's a little gap as you can see right here. So need to just insert the screwdriver here and twist it. And top and bottom covers will come separate. And then here's the battery. You can just remove it from here. It's a CR1632. Replacing it is very easy. Putting cover back. Make sure to align notches here and here. You got to place it on the top and make sure it's lined with the base, and by pressing you can hear the pop. Can test if it is working by pressing and holding the button, and you can see the blue light blinking. With all that guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like my video. Have a nice and a lovely day. Bye bye.